In this video, we'll show you how to automatically copy Excel files between SharePoint folders using Power Automate. As an example, we'll use a folder called Excel Originals, where users upload their original Excel files, and a folder called Excel Copies, where Power Automate will automatically create a copy. This is a great solution if you want to automatically create backups, maintain duplicate files, or keep documents synchronized without any manual work. Now let's get started. Step 1. Create the flow and set the trigger. Go to Power Automate, click Create, and select Automated Cloud Flow. Name the flow. For the trigger, search for and select when a file is created, Properties Only, from the SharePoint connector. Click Create. This trigger will automatically start the flow whenever a new file is added to the Excel Originals folder. Step 2. Configure the trigger. Select your SharePoint site address. Choose the document library that contains your folders. For the folder field, select the Excel Originals folder. This tells Power Automate exactly where to monitor for new files. Whenever a file is uploaded to Excel Originals, the flow will start automatically. Step 3. Add a condition to check for Excel files. Next, add a condition action. In the left side of the condition, select expression and enter the same code you see on the screen. Set the operator to is equal to. Set the value on the right side to true. This prevents non-Excel files from being copied into the destination folder. Step 4. Add the copy file action. Inside the true branch of the condition, click Add an action and select Copy File from the SharePoint connector. For current site address, select your SharePoint site. For file to copy, choose Identifier from the trigger. For destination site address, select the same SharePoint site. For destination folder, select the Excel Copies folder. For this demonstration, when Excel file is uploaded to Excel Originals, Power Automate will automatically create a copy in Excel Copies. Set if another file is already there to replace. This ensures that if a file with the same name already exists, it will be overwritten with the latest version. Step 5. Save and test the flow. Click Save. To test the flow, upload the file test copy Excel file to the Excel Originals folder. After a few moments, navigate to the Excel Copies folder. You should see the copied file appear automatically. If everything works correctly, every new Excel file uploaded to Excel Originals will automatically be copied into Excel Copies without any manual effort. You've now built a Power Automate flow that automatically copies Excel files between SharePoint folders. This type of automation is perfect for creating backups, synchronizing files, or supporting document management processes. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a like, leave a comment with your questions, and subscribe for more Power Automate tutorials for beginners.